Ready for this?
Hey guys, how you doing? This is your favorite fat man. We are on three wheels. We are out today in Marion, Ohio at the Rural King. We're here for the Rod Knockers car meetup, car show, get together, gathering, and they are starting to roll in. Got a little confusion with the people power washing the building. The fire trucks here, but they're getting that all straightened out. Just came from the one in Springfield. I'm really not sure if I'm going to be able to make it to the next one down the road, because by the time I get out of here, I'm pretty sure it's going to be too late, and I've got to get back to take care of mom and dad. But I'll tell you what, the cars I've seen so far come in, excellent. People are phenomenal. Got to talk to quite a few of the guys already. We're going to get ready. We're going to get started. We're going to get some pictures of some cars. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, what's your name?
Andy Waits.
Andy? Can you tell me about your car here?
Yeah, this is a 1940 Buick Special 40.
Yeah. What motor you got in it now?
406 with a 400 transmission.
Yeah.
Automatic.
What rear end? Geared low, geared high, posi, open spool?
It's a posi, but I'm not for sure what it is yet.
Yeah.
Just got the car.
Oh, excellent.
So
You've done a few things to it already. I heard you talking to the other guys, fixing this, fixing that.
yeah, trying to work the bugs out of it.
Yeah. Ain't that a lifelong pleasure, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Curse and a pleasure all in one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You belong to the Rod Knockers, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me about the club a little bit?
Well, it's a great club.
Yeah. You're based here in Marion?
We're based here in Marion. This is our 12th year.
Yeah.
Uh,
Have you belonged to it for a long time?
I was one of the original members.
There you go. I came to the right place.
Yeah. Rick, Kelly, and I.
Yeah.
You got Kelly who's president. You got Rick that's vice president, and I'm third, and I'm second vice president.
Yeah. So how often do you hold events out here?
Every Saturday, first Saturday of the month.
Yeah. Usually,
October.
usually in the afternoon, evening.
5 to 9.
5 to 9. There you go. All right. I appreciate you telling me a little about your ride and a little about the club, and thank you very much, buddy.
Thank you.
All righty.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, 'cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing, nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. Nothing at
all. What's the puppy's name again? I forgot.
Chloe?
Chloe. Chloe, hi. How you doing? Love that face. I love that face. That is just the sweetest face. I'm telling you.
I'm not the favorite son, but I'm the one who's been here all along. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. No, I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it
Their U.S. dollars, please, Jimmy. I'll wait for the start.
We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teacher, leave them kids alone. Hey! Teacher! Leave those kids alone! Another brick in the wall. Another brick in the wall. We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control.
yourself. Tired of doing things just to save your mental health. You made a wish and then you lost it down to wishing well. But when you're with me, there's no need to be. So tell me, is there somewhere else that you wanna go? Cause you've been running round in circles, stuck in slow-mo. I've got that feeling that you really wanna hit the door. If you lost the fight, then let's win the war. When you're tired of fighting and you gotta run, hop right in, sit shotgun, I'm driving, I'll be your protector. Who's gonna be there when everything is tumbling down? Who's gonna be there when you fall to keep you off of the ground? I'll be your shelter, they'll never get you. So stay with me, yeah, and I'll be your protector. No, it ain't easy to survive up in these city streets. Looking for someone to help you when you scrape your knees. Taking too many punches, now it's getting hard to breathe. I'll be your reason so you can believe. Are you waiting for someone? Just hold on, here I come to fix when you're undone. Now tell me when you're tired of fighting and you gotta run, hop right in, sit shotgun, I'm driving, I'll be your protector. Who's gonna be there when everything is tumbling down? Who's gonna be there when you fall to keep you off of the ground? I'll be your shelter, they'll never get you. So stay with me, yeah, and I'll be your protector. I'll be your protector. Life is a tightrope and it's hard to maintain. Let me hold your umbrella, never feel the rain. You're standing on the edge now, stay close. I'm going 12 rounds, ready for another dose. Your mama said never run from the devil. Steel chin and a fist made a man so. Look at my face, serious as a heart attack. Come in your corner, shades on, dressed in black. Who's gonna be there when everything is tumbling down? Who's gonna be there when you fall to pick you up off the ground? I'll be your shelter, they'll never get you. So stay with me, yeah, and I'll be your protector. Who's gonna be there when everything is tumbling down? Who's gonna be there when you fall to keep you off the ground? I'll be your shelter, they'll never get you. So stay with me, yeah, and I'll be your protector. Who's gonna be there? Oh, oh, oh. Who's gonna be there to pick you up off the ground? I'll be your shelter, they'll never get you. So stay with me, yeah, and I'll be your protector. Praying that you don't run out of luck. You're running but the pavement's got you stuck. You've been around the block, I know. You got the cuts to show it. Smoking like a bullet from a gun. The city got you crushed under its thumb. You're staring at the clock, I see. Your time is up, you know it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you, cause these streets, they're mean. You gotta fight if you want to eat. It's blood and bone. The black top's got a heart of stone. They're mean, these streets. They're gonna try to take you, never let them break you. These streets. These streets. You've been throwing punches at the wall, and nothing really makes much sense at all. Walking like a lonely ghost, your number's up, you feel it. Looking for a street light in the dark, trying to find a rock to make a spark. Maybe it's the life you chose, you're gonna let them steal it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you, cause these streets, they're mean. You gotta fight if you want to eat. It's blood and bone. The black top's got a heart of stone. They're mean, these streets. They're gonna try to to take you, never let them break you. These streets, these streets. Praying that you don't run out of luck. You're running but the pavement's got you stuck. Smoking like a bullet from a gun. The city got you crushed under its thumb. Staring at the clock, I see your time is up. You know it. So write your name in the dust. Hope they remember you, 'cause these streets, they're mean. You gotta fight if you want to eat. In blood and bone, the black top's got a lot of stone. They're mean. These streets, they're gonna try to take you, never let them break you.
Get on the road. Stayed a little bit longer than I should have. I am not going to make it to the other one because I have to get home from here to get Dad his medication. So I'll just get there with about 20 minutes to spare. But this has been an awesome good time out here. The Rod Knockers, the guys, the group, the club and stuff, super good guys. I hope to be able to come up this way again, but it is so busy with shows that are closer that I just don't know, but had a good time. MiamiValleyNovas.com, Kevin Foust, KJ in Ohio, send him the information for the flyers and stuff like that. And Ohio Car Shows and Cruise-In Group, Max Sprague. Every week he puts up information about shows and stuff like that. I'll put up places where I'll try to be. So if you want to come out, I'll be there if I can. We got to get on the road, guys. Had a great time. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed myself. See ya.
You gotta be kidding me.
Thank you.